Welcome to Biology for Noobs, science made simple and fun. Let's get into it. What is mitosis? Mitosis is how your body grows and repairs itself. It takes one cell and turns it into two identical ones. Prophase. The DNA in the nucleus condenses into visible chromosomes, like X-shaped packages of genetic info. The nucleus starts to disappear, and the cell preps to divide. Metaphase. The chromosomes line up across the center of the cell. Think of it like lining up books in a row, ready to be split evenly. Anaphase. Spindle fibers pull the chromosomes apart. Each half goes to opposite sides. It's the big separation moment. Telophase. Now, two new nuclei start forming, one on each side. The chromosomes begin to uncoil, and the cell is almost done dividing. Some people remember the order of mitosis from the acronym PMAT. Thank you for listening to Noob Biology. For more noob-friendly science, hit subscribe. See you next time.